So, hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Salesforce org with n8n, where on every successful account creation, the n8n trigger will send an email to my Gmail account using ChatGPT. So, let's understand the use case before we implement this workflow. Starting off with Salesforce, user will insert an account record in Salesforce, and that account record will trigger this workflow in n8n. This automation in n8n will pass few of the account records to the AI agent and ask for some information. And after getting the information, it will consolidate all the information and send it to my email address using ChatGPT. So let's start with the workflow. So make sure to create a new workspace for this automation. So as you can see, this is a fresh new screen, and here we will be starting off with our first node. So click on the plus icon here and select Salesforce. As you can see, here are number of triggers that we can use. So for a particular use case, we will be selecting on account created. So in this window, now you have to first connect your n8n with your Salesforce org. So click on new credential here and connect my account. As you can see, I've already authenticated my org earlier. So in your case, there will be a login page. So now my account has been connected to my org. Next, what we have to do here is select the poll times. So I have selected here every minute. So what this will do is n8n will keep refreshing its database after every minute to check if there is any new account in Salesforce. So to check whether the n8n is successfully connected with Salesforce, we can click here on Fetch Test Events, and it will fetch the latest account record from Salesforce. As you can see, it has fetched the account record name Edge Communications. So this states that the connection is successful. Now, moving on towards the next step, we will be adding an AI agent in the second node. So what will the AI agent do is, we will pass some of the fields of account record to that AI agent and get some additional information from that AI agent. And at the end, we will consolidate all this information and get it as an email to our Gmail account. So let's add the second node here, AI and then AI agent. The source for prompt will be custom, so we will be choosing this define below option. So the prompt is what we pass to the AI agent to get the desired results. So here the prompt will be our own custom prompt. So I have pasted the prompt here. Can you please find the below information about the company named, and here the company name will be assigned. So what you can do is you can just drag and drop the dynamic variables from here. So these value will be dynamic and will be changing based on different account records. So can you please find the below information about the company named, dynamic variable value, where is the headquarters, how many employees, when was the company started. Once you have all these information, can you consolidate them and send it to the email address, and that is the email address. So we are done for the second part also. Now what we will be doing is we will add the chat model here as OpenAI. Just type OpenAI chat model. n8n gives you free OpenAI credits for some time, so you can use that. Here you can use the see the model, which model you want to use among all the other options. I think we are good to go from here. Next, and the most final step here is to select the tool. So after getting all these information, we want to get it as an email in our Gmail ID. So just select Gmail in the tool option, Gmail tool. Now, just like Salesforce, here also we have to authenticate a Google account with n8n. Just click on here, select credential, create new credential, auth 2 recommended, sign in with Google option. As you can see, I have connected my Google account with n8n now. After connecting the Google account with n8n, These are the settings that you have to do. These are very simple. So just follow the steps. In the two option, we have to specify the email ID on which we want to get the email. So either we can manually provide the email ID or we can actually use the model to provide it for us. So we'll use the let the model define this parameter. Next, for subject also we can let the model define the subject for us, easing our work. So defined automatically by the model. Here we have to select the email type as text, and the message will also now be selected by the model. So we are good to go from here also. And now our whole flow is ready. Just click on publish here, publish, got it. So let me explain you the workflow. So my user will create an account record in Salesforce, and that particular event will trigger the workflow automation in here in n8n. So the some of the credentials of the user, like the name, will be passed here to the AI agent, and AI agent will execute this particular prompt from the name passed from Salesforce and will execute all these query. After getting all the results, it will consolidate the information it found out as well as the information that was passed to it from Salesforce and combine that information and send it as an email to our email ID. Let me implement this workflow practically here. So this is my org. Here I will be creating a new account record named as Google, and the account record is saved and the trigger has been executed. Now we will go here in executions and the workflow will implement automatically. As you can see, our workflow is running here. So the event has been triggered in Salesforce and it has been captured by the n8n workflow here. And after that, the model found out the information and sent it to us on a Gmail ID. So let's check our Gmail ID. As you can see, I have got the mail for information about Google. So here is the consolidated information about the company Google. So it shows all the information that we put in the prompt. So now you can see how the whole workflow actually implements.